Making conference table cards is a necessary skill for civilian staff. Today, we'll learn about how to make double-sides conference tables. Step 1. Create a single table. First of all, click the Page Layout tab and set the page layout to Landscape. To make the table more exquisite, we have inserted a 2-column, 1-row table and a background image into the document in advance. Now, we can choose the desired word art effect and add it to the appropriate position in the cells on both sides. Then, input the name of the representative and adjust the font size of the text. Next, adjust the direction of the text on the left to vertical right to left, and the text on the right to rotate all text 270 degrees. In this way, the text direction is correct after the table is folded. Finally, we can set the table style to no border. However, in case that there are a large number of participants, it's a waste of time to modify the tables one by one. In this case, we can use the method of mail merge to quickly generate table cards in batches. Here are the specific steps. 1. Create a name list in Excel. Create a new Excel worksheet named Name. Input all the participant information in the table, and click Save. 2. Import the list to Word. Click the References and Mail Merge buttons, then the Open Data Source drop-down button. Select the Open Data Source button, find the Excel list created in advance, and import it into Word. If the system suggests errors, please change the suffix of the table to XLS. 3. Insert merge fields. Select the text in the left cell with the mouse. Click Mailings. Click the Insert Merge Field button to pop up the dialog, in which you choose to insert database fields. Select the newly imported Excel list, and click Insert to insert the merge fields. Select the text in the suitable cell and repeat the above to insert the same merge fields. 4. Merge. Click Mailings and Merge to New Document, and select the All button. Click OK to quickly create conference table cards in batches. Have you learned how we can create conference tables?